As we speak, New Delhi is battling a pinching power crisis. The water facility in the capital is in shambles. Law and order has crumbled, and to top it all, there is no government in New Delhi. But none of these reasons have prompted the freeloading MLAs in the state to return their salaries. While one Congress legislator did hand back his paycheck in moral grounds, the others are happy pocketing the exchequer money. Even the Supreme Court has asked MLAs why they are sitting idle at home and if they should be paid at all. We're opening our phone lines in the next 1 hour, and you can call us live. Tell us what you think. Should these MLAs return their salary? The lines are open now.
Ever since Arvind Kejriwal's 49-day bailout, Delhi has been without an elected government. But MLAs have been drawing full salaries, even as the Delhi Assembly continues to be in suspended animation. Now this Congress MLA has taken the lead and paid back the salary he got for doing no work.
A few days back, Supreme Court came up with an observation wherein they said that the Congress, maybe the Delhi MLAs are sitting in their home, and why should they withdraw the money, the salary exactly. So I thought it's right to refund the salary which was for the last 5 months.
But other MLAs are now in a fix. Some, despite no work, are making bizarre suggestions.
He may be rich kisan, but I am poor man. Everybody is not corrupt. ये हमारा अपना अधिकार है, हमारा हक है जो हमको पैसा मिल रहा है. बल्कि मैं तो ये कहता हूँ कि एमएलएस की सैलरी को और बढ़ाना चाहिए. हम कम से कम करप्ट होने से बचें.
Yet as Delhiites battle power cuts and water shortages, the court's frowning on the MLAs taking fat paychecks.
This is a very pertinent question that has been in fact put up by the court. It's an observation that has been put forth stating that if there is no assembly currently, then why should these MLAs be paid their monthly salaries? This has already now resulted in a blame game politically.
Despite the court's observations, the freeloading MLAs are justifying living off the exchequer.
From morning 6 to night 2 I keep working. Who says they'll be sitting at home?
But the Congress MLA has given away his salary. Why will the Aam Aadmi Party not do the same?
So Congress and BJP MLAs have never ever been in the business of public service. They have been in the business of collecting money. They collect money. This salary is just a sort of a peanut for them.
On the streets, the mood is against those who bailed out of government.
सैलरी तो रुकनी चाहिए. जब सरकार ही नहीं है तो सैलरी किस बात की है? कोई काम ही नहीं कर रहा नीचे. पब्लिक परेशान है ना, इलेक्शन में कोई तैयार है तो सैलरी तो रुकनी चाहिए.
Either they should dissolve the assembly so that these guys should not be paid. It is like we have hired employees who are on a paid leave and are not asked to perform because they don't have a job to perform.
वो सिर्फ मनाली या मसूरी घूमने गए हुए हैं अपने बच्चों को लेके. पब्लिक के लिए कोई भी नहीं सोच रहा. हम तो ये चाहते हैं कि ऐसे विधायकों को इनकी जो पे है वो रोकी जाए.
As Delhi's elected representatives shy away from their jobs, how long can they justify being paid for work that remains undone? Bureau Report, Times Now.